Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs. First, select the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape much better. Next, grab a wide, shallow pan and fill it with about 3 inches of water. This depth is ideal for proper poaching. Finally, add a small splash of white vinegar to the water. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but it really helps the egg whites set quickly. Now, bring your water to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles, not a vigorous boil, which can break the eggs. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to control their entry into the water. Then, gently slide each egg into the simmering water. Avoid dropping them from a height to maintain their perfect shape. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook your eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by another minute or so. Once cooked to your liking, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each egg from the water. Gently drain any excess water by placing them on a paper towel-lined plate for a few seconds. Your delicious poached eggs are ready. Serve them immediately on a piece of toasted sourdough with some fresh avocado or a bed of greens. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper will elevate the flavors beautifully. For more kitchen hacks and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.